Welcome to my laundry room. Ah, what a mess. Yeah, I think this ends up being a dumping ground for a lot of people. A few things I want to get done here. Let's start with the door. Okay, I want to get that taken out completely. The drywall fixed here. When I take the frame off and have a barn door put in. Yeah, because I think a sliding door will look a lot better, and because the washer door has done this to the paint. Whoever put the washer and dryer hookup in originally did it backwards, because the appliances, the doors open on the other sides. I think they had they did have a top loading, which broke down, of course, the week after I bought the house. So that's why I got new appliances here. But I was able to change the door, the way the door opens on the dryer, but not on the washer. So it just comes that way, and you can't open both at the same time. So that's one problem I want to have fixed. The other thing is this ugly drop ceiling with fluorescent lights above it, which flicker sometimes. So more often than not. Not right now, because I want to show you how much badly it flickers like disco lights and makes you want to throw up. This one's completely burnt out, the one above there. But I have a new light fixture already to go in here to replace that when those come down. And I'm going to fix the drywall. See all the little patches here. And okay, let's address the elephant in the room there. This hole, this opening in the wall here, I initially kind of liked it. You know, it lets in natural daylight, and other than that, it really serves no purpose. And I'm thinking it will probably be best if I close that up. Then I can use the wall space to hang up the ironing board and possibly a few other things, so they're not sitting on the floor. Yeah, and then this is just stuff that's got dumped here I need to put away wherever it's going to end up going away. And I really need to sort out my Norwex products. Got a lot of extra stuff there. So, yeah. So I got lots of stuff, storage space up there and things, so I just need to utilize it better. I did reorganize down here not too long ago, and it's not looking too bad, too terribly bad there. It's kind of still pretty organized. And of course, I've got my drawer with sewing stuff closest to the sewing machine, and I have my other drawer with batteries and stuff. And I've thought about replacing this countertop pretty much since I bought the place, to if I could have got one to match that, because I don't mind that like desktop area that they put there for the sewing machine. So anyway, that is where I'm at right now. Not sure. I'm probably going to get rid of these because they really don't work very well. Yeah, they don't. They get clogged up and they run very slow, and yeah, they're probably just not. They're not that good. So anyway, so this is where I'm at. I'll let you see progress probably midway and then at the end. Hey everyone, this is so exciting. I am finally getting my laundry room mini makeover done. The drop ceiling is down, all the fluorescent lights are down. That back hole has been filled in. Now we're going to be working on getting the door nicely drywalled and ready for the barn door. I had an electrician come and move the switch over there and get rid of the extra wires. So yeah, it's shaping up. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. And it already looks bigger without that drop ceiling in it. I put a temporary light in the middle so we still have some light before I get my new light fixture up, and it's all good. Alrighty. So, yeah, I've got the doorways in the hallway kind of plasticed off because drywall is extremely messy, as we all know. And I'm sure it's still going to seep into other areas, but at least most of it will be contained here. So anyway, that's the progress for today. Good afternoon, everyone. I am finally going to get to paint my laundry room here. I just wanted to give you a quick before. The walls are already primed. The ceiling's already painted. So yeah, I finally was able to buy the paint yesterday since our lockdown was lifted. So I better get started. Phase 2 of my laundry room makeover, I was thinking I would like to update these cabinets by adding some trim, like some shaker trim to it, and then repainting it, changing the handles. And I'd definitely love to get a new countertop here, get one that matches the sewing desk there, if I can. The other thing I'd like to do is replace this old plastic laundry tub with a nice laundry cabinet and a gooseneck faucet on it. And I'd also like to do like maybe some tile on the backsplash. So comment below what you think I should do, if I should update these cabinets or if I should just get new ones. And then another thing I would like to do at some point in time is the floor. But that will probably be at a later date, even after that. I have seen some videos where people have painted it, some nice black and white designs on it, and apparently it's held up well if it's finished properly. So I was thinking I might do that. Comment below if you think I should do that too.